All right, so I'm going to walk you through how to do one of these examples. If you're given an equation, how do you make a table and how do you make a graph for it? So a couple things. You have an x and a y value. You can pick anything you want for x, and then once you've picked out your x values, you just solve for y. So generally it makes the most sense to pick small numbers, pick whole numbers, just because they're going to be a lot easier to plug in and solve for. So for this one, I'm going to start with -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And again, I'm just picking those because they're really easy numbers to plug in and solve for. You could pick 27 1/3 if you wanted to, but it wouldn't be probably your best choice. So now I take my -3, I stick it into this place where x is. -2 times -3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. I take -2, plug it in. -2 times -2 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Plug in -1. -2 times -1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then you just go through like that. All right. Once you have those values, you just need to plot your points. So if you had forgot, the horizontal axis is the x-axis. The up and down axis is the y-axis. And then the positive numbers for the x-axis are going this way. The negatives are this way. The positives for the y are going up and down. I should say the positives are going up and the negatives are going down. And then I'm just going to plug all my points. So my first point is -3, 9. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3 on the negative side, and then I'm going to go up 9. 3, that'll give me a point right here. There's that one. Then I have -2, 7. So on the x-axis I go over 2, go up 7. Then I go over 1, up 5, 0, 3, and just like that. And then if you've done it correctly, you'll be able to see that it actually makes a straight line, which that is not exactly a straight line, but you get the picture. So that's what we're going to do. You're going to come up with x values, use those to find the y values, and then you're going to plot the points on the graph.